clogged ollie and then broke the chain for the little feeder. So we gotta get this back together before we get to baling again. I had to go make a new pin for the chain out of some little piece of steel. Well, we made 150 bales yesterday and beat the rain. Had about 20 bales to go, and the old baler decided to lose a string. So that's this morning's project. This is supposed to be in here just like this one. You can see the little I forget what they're called, little disc, grabber disc things. Got the string right there, and it's missing right here. So we'll see what we can do. Eva's asking me what. That's our hay rake, sweetie. That's not our baler. The rest of our hay got 1.5 inches of rain on it, so it'll be a few days before we pull this thing out again. Alright, baler's fixed. She's making bales again. It's the twine disc holder. We had got some twine stuck in the twine disc holder, but I think it had to do with these exposed twines down here. A tree had got caught on that and had pulled on it. I think that's what messed us up. I had it all going and made a couple bales, just throwing hay in by hand from bales that weren't very good from yesterday, and parked it back here in the shed. And we had a jam up coming out of this, got stuck in there and broke the twine again. So I got it all ready to go again, and it should be all ready to go, but it's gonna have one broken bale in the chute until I get going and kick that one out and then throw it back in the windrow and bale it again. Some other day, whenever we have dry hay again.